Hey guys. Okay, so I have a few home and office decor projects to complete. The first of which is my desk slash work table. I do have a marble top, but as you can see here, because I didn't always protect the table, it has a lot of paint stains and just crap on it. And at that time I used it for my desk as well as a craft table, but now I think I just want to use it as a desk only. So we're going to take this paper off. This contact paper is what this is, and replace it so that we can get that looking better again. So as you can see, I've removed everything from the top of the table. Now we just need to get started removing this paper. Shouldn't take long, and then we'll replace it. This is the paper that I have here. I bought this at Walmart. Now the one that's already on the table here, I purchased it online. I think I ordered it from Amazon or Walmart.com. I can't remember, but this I just picked up in store. I think this paper's been on the table for about a year or a little over, and it's held up really well. I haven't had any problems with it, and the only reason why it looks bad now is because I just didn't take care of it. But I plan to make sure that I protect the table from now on when I'm using it for my crafts like I did initially. But yeah, see, it just comes right up. We're gonna go ahead and get this ripped all off. And to be honest, I thought about leaving it with this wood grain finish and not even doing the marble top, but I do like it, so I'm gonna put it back. This is all the paper that came off of it. Wasn't too difficult to get off, but it is, if you get that paper, it is kind of a high quality paper, and it will take a little muscle to get off, as you could see while I was trying to get it off. Now the cool thing about this paper is that it has grid lines on the back of it. So once you cut one piece of it, you can just measure your other pieces by that one. Hang on for a second, I'll show you the grid lines. And if you need it, they have little instructions here for you. And these are the grid lines that I'm talking about. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe not. So for my overlap, I'm gonna use one block, and I'll be using this block. So I'm gonna use that much for overlap all the way around the table. And if you watch, you'll see how I'm doing that. Here. And you can either use an X-Acto knife or scissors to cut this paper. Of course, you want to make sure that the table surface is clean. So wipe the table down completely. Okay, so it is all done. As you can see, came out nicely. What I will say is that this paper, for some reason, had excess glue. What I did after was wipe the table down with alcohol. So like right here in the crease was a bit of glue. You can still see some here, but you can just you know, wet a paper towel or a cloth with some alcohol and clean that up. This one I've already cleaned, and you see it looks nice, but I wanted you to see the difference. Once you clean it up, it looks pretty seamless. But yeah, all done with that, and we're gonna go ahead and get it set back up. I probably still will use it for my crafts too, because it's pretty much the only surface in here that I have that I would want to work on. But I will use my protective sheets from here on out.